Hey friends, this is Eric, and today we're going to check out this portable air pump slash tire inflator that's also a built-in battery. Charge up your cell phone or other small electronics in a pinch. Now this also has a built-in light, which is really useful. Today we're going to just quickly go over what comes with it, how to use it. I'm going to show you in use and just show you what I like and what I don't like. Now, like I said, this has a built-in battery. Battery size, they say, is about 7,500 milliamps, which is a great portable battery. But this is mainly maybe to keep in your car if you have a flat, maybe pump up some bike tires or balls around the house. But it's not really a portable battery to charge up your cell phone, even though you can use it for that. This is primarily just a air pump. Now, I really like the screen on here. I love that the displays exactly what's going on, what the air pressure is, what the target air pressure is. It has a couple presets for different air pressures. There's a bike preset, there's a ball preset, and there's a button to turn on the light on top. So if it's dark outside, you can kind of see what you're doing. Now, really like the quality here. I have a couple GOOLOO products and they make some great stuff, and I've always been happy with their batteries, and they definitely put some thought into this product. Now it comes with the wire that you need to pump up your tires. That screws right into the top of the unit. It also comes with a couple attachments to blow up various devices, including different sports balls. I would have liked to see some way to incorporate those attachments within the device, so they don't get lost. They do include a bag that you can kind of tuck everything in, which is nice, but it would have been really cool if you can like just snap them onto the case itself. Not a big deal because they include that bag. Now, when I first started this up and started using it, I was actually startled. You hold the button to turn on the power. You set the PSI, the pounds per square inch. I think that's what it stands for. Pressure. I don't remember. Anyways, and then you press the button once you're ready to start it. And I was quite surprised about how loud this was. It definitely has a very loud, we wouldn't call it an engine, but a motor that definitely you can feel how strong this thing is. And it definitely startled me, even startled my dog. Just FYI, if the baby's sleeping, this is going to wake them up. Nevertheless, I was super happy how fast this pumps up tires. You can see here I'm pumping up my car tire, let a little bit of air out, and it did it really fast. I was super happy to see that. Then I tried a sports ball, same thing. That took like 10 seconds. No problems whatsoever. Super happy with this. Super portable, great size, great look, great feel, and I'm very happy with this. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.